Good evening, Siri.
Good evening.
Time,
It's 8:10 p.m.
date today.
It's Friday, November 21st, 2025.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
And I do hope all of you are in good stead wherever all of you may perhaps be. This is both in Tagalog and English para maintindihan na mabuti kung limbag sa Tagalog o translation sa English. Ang maghiganti ng masama sa masama ay hindi gawain ng mga may alam na mabuhay. Ang sahod ng mga makasalanan ay kamatayan. In English, the wages of sin is death. Kapag gumagawa ng mabuti ang isang tao, ay humahaba ang kanyang buhay. May you all have peace, prosperity, security, and safety, so be it. Amen.